There's hardly anyone online who hasn't either seen or heard of at least one social media influencer in recent years. But what exactly are AI influencers? They're virtual personalities entirely created by complex algorithms and machine learning models, and are designed to interact and engage with online audiences. Funnily, they have bucket loads of charisma, charm, and even personal stories, which makes them relatable and captivating to millions. One example of this new breed of influencers is Lil Miquela, who as of August has some 2.7 million followers on Instagram and composes interesting and captivating posts. According to her bio, she is a 19-year-old robot living in LA. Honestly, if I hadn't read it, I'd have been fooled into thinking she's a real human. Her YouTube channel has 71 videos and almost 280k subscribers. And well, her parent company Brud is now worth $125 million. She's even said to have nominated by Time magazine as one of the most influential people on the internet in 2018. She has worked for Samsung, Prada, and Calvin Klein. And in this post on Instagram, she even claims to have been hired by WorldCoin to promote its sign-up process using an orb. Inspired by the concept of Miquela, the American content creator behind the YouTube channel Yikes made his own AI influencer, a 25-year-old female called April Isabella, and test ran her on major social media platforms to see if people could make out that she isn't human. He even documented his 30-day mission in a video, and oh boy, it sure was fun. On day 1, he started by actually creating images of April from scratch, first using DALL-E, but thought it would be better to use Midjourney for the task. On day 2, his next step was to create an Instagram profile for her and use ChatGPT to write her bio details. After that, he used Midjourney again to generate images for her Instagram profile, all set to match her white girl aesthetic. And boom, April's post started getting a lot of likes. Her creator admitted to using ChatGPT to respond to her DMs, which resulted in snagging April's first follower. However, he was able to figure out that she is AI-backed in some way and unfollowed her. On day 5, April's creator returned to Midjourney to get more defined images of her doing stuff mentioned in her bio. He hit the jackpot because April finally got a comment asking her to send her picture for some sponsored brand promotion. He again used ChatGPT to write April's responses to her brand manager in a DM conversation. Find out more about the sponsorship offer. Funny thing, by the time he sent his details for the payment, even ChatGPT had figured out it was a scam. Turns out the brand manager was trying to steal the creator's private information. On day 8, April's creator then decided to put her Instagram to the test to see if people could figure out that she was not 100% AI. He saw that his friend was live online and got to work. When the creator quickly showed his friend slides of April's posts, the account got a decent pass. Convinced that his friend did not detect that all of April's content was AI generated, the creator went one step ahead and created a drama-themed YouTube channel for April and gave her a new avatar makeover for it using Midjourney again. Of course, the YouTube videos had to be AI generated as well, and he uploaded them every day for a long time. But the channel didn't have much success, and the single person to leave a comment on her video also figured out that she is an AI bot. He tried again and made a little leeway with April's videos, and thankfully, no one said anything about everything on the channel being AI generated. The creator decided to ditch YouTube and try out TikTok, and made 10 TikToks for her account. Sadly, April had no luck there either, and it led her creator to not give up, and like Miquela, take to Twitter, Snapchat, and Twitch. He took it a step further to make an image-to-song AI-generated 2.5-minute long song for and by April on Melobytes. Check it out.
Love you and I can't do it without you. I can't wait to see the way you kiss me. It's like
Well, what do you think of April Isabella and her social media presence and song? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned right here for more of the latest innovations from the world of AI.